Infinite Machine P1. Meet the Infinite Machine P1, a revolutionary electric vehicle built for city life. Designed to be compact and powerful, the P1 is redefining personal transport with its impressive capabilities. Powered by a 6 kW hub motor with a peak output of 12 kW, this vehicle reaches a top speed of 55 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. Its acceleration is quick, smooth, and nearly silent, giving you a seamless ride every time. The P1's removable 72 volts 50Ah battery is positioned in the floor, enhancing stability and balance. And when you need an extra boost, the turbo mode provides peak speed performance, while a reverse function allows for easy navigation in tight spots. Crafted with durability in mind, the P1 features a sturdy aluminum and steel monocoque chassis. Its striking design not only catches the eye but also includes ample storage for your everyday needs. Technology is at the heart of the P1. It offers wireless CarPlay for seamless connectivity and comes with a dedicated app. This app allows you to manage, track, and even immobilize the vehicle remotely. Plus, over-the-air updates ensure the P1 keeps getting better over time. Priced at $10,000, the Infinite Machine P1 offers a premium, futuristic riding experience for urban commuters who want efficiency and style. Amazon Drone Delivery. Introducing Amazon Drone Delivery, an innovative service set to transform how packages reach customers. This cutting-edge delivery system utilizes advanced drone technology to provide fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly solutions. With the capability to deliver packages within just 30 minutes of placing an order, Amazon's drones significantly enhance delivery speed and improve customer satisfaction. These drones are equipped with sophisticated navigation and safety systems, allowing them to safely navigate urban environments. They can deliver small packages weighing up to 5 pounds, making them ideal for groceries, electronics, and everyday essentials. As Amazon continues to test and expand its drone delivery operations, this service represents a major leap in logistics. It showcases the future of rapid and sustainable package delivery, promising convenience and efficiency for customers everywhere. Chevrolet Chaparral 2X Turismo. Introducing the Chevrolet Chaparral 2X Turismo, a futuristic concept car that redefines the boundaries of motorsports. Designed for the Vision Gran Turismo project, this vehicle draws inspiration from the innovative race cars of Chaparral Racing and Chevrolet. The Chaparral 2X is no ordinary car. It's conceived as an experimental Garage 56 Le Mans prototype, blending the thrill of flying in a wingsuit with the excitement of a MotoGP race bike. This concept is all about pushing limits. What makes it truly revolutionary is its laser pulse shockwave propulsion system. This cutting-edge technology gives the 2X rocket-like speed, delivering an exhilarating driving experience like no other. With a top speed of 250 miles per hour, 402 km per hour, and an incredible 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 1.5 seconds, the Chaparral 2X is designed to thrill. It embodies the future of motorsports with bold design and advanced technology. The Chevrolet Chaparral 2X Turismo isn't just a concept, it's a vision of what's possible in high-performance racing. Crypto Solar Tree. Introducing the Crypto Solar Tree, a groundbreaking fusion of renewable energy and cryptocurrency mining, developed by DOC Incorporated. This innovative system generates up to 11 kilowatts of clean energy using a combination of solar panels and wind turbines. But that's not all. The Crypto Solar Tree also functions as a cryptocurrency mining rig powered by the DAG Nebula. Imagine mining Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies while contributing to a greener planet. This versatile system serves multiple purposes. It acts as an EV charging station and provides a backup power source during outages. Whether for private residences, farms, or off-grid locations, the Crypto Solar Tree represents a significant step towards sustainable energy and crypto mining. Additionally, it includes a water collection and purification system designed for remote areas. Priced at $4,999, this investment pays off in both eco-consciousness and potential crypto gains. Galaxy of Happiness. Introducing the Galaxy of Happiness, a breathtaking 53-meter trimaran yacht. Built by Latitude Yachts in 2016, This vessel combines luxury with cutting-edge design by Jean-Jacques Coste. Known for its exceptional stability, speed, and efficiency, the Galaxy of Happiness stands out among luxury yachts. One of its remarkable features is its eco-friendly design. This yacht uses 40% less energy than traditional monohull yachts. It's also equipped for zero-emission cruising, making it a conscious choice for those who want luxury with a lighter environmental impact. With a cruising speed of 24 knots and a top speed of 30 knots, it's not just beautiful but fast. The Galaxy of Happiness can travel up to 2,300 nautical miles on a single trip, offering extensive range for adventurous journeys. Inside, the yacht offers luxurious accommodations for up to 6 guests in 3 stunning cabins. And for added comfort, it includes amenities like a jacuzzi, ensuring every moment aboard is both opulent and relaxing. The Galaxy of Happiness is more than a yacht. It's a statement of luxury, sustainability, and performance, all wrapped into one unforgettable experience. Halfbike II. Meet the Halfbike II, an innovative 3-wheeled personal vehicle that combines cycling and walking for a unique experience. Created by the Bulgarian company Kola Linea, the Halfbike II has gained attention for its minimalist design and focus on fun, fitness, and urban mobility. This vehicle features a large front wheel and 2 smaller rear wheels, allowing riders to stand upright, similar to a scooter. Users steer by balancing their body weight while using a tall handlebar for guidance. The Halfbike II is made from a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to carry and store. This design is particularly appealing for city dwellers. Riders engage their core muscles while propelling the Halfbike II using standard cycling pedals. Its design encourages full body movement, providing a low-impact workout that blends cycling with a natural walking posture. The top speed of the Halfbike II ranges between 10 and 15 miles per hour, depending on the rider's effort. Humane AI Pin. Introducing the Humane AI Pin, a groundbreaking wearable device that acts as your personal AI assistant. This innovative technology attaches easily to your clothing, seamlessly integrating into your daily life. The AI Pin is equipped with a variety of sensors that enable contextual and ambient computing. This transforms how you interact with personal technology, making it more intuitive and responsive to your needs. One of the standout features of the AI Pin is its laser ink display. This unique technology allows it to turn your hand into a display, giving you a touchpad for effortless interaction. You can control calls, adjust volume, and even capture moments with just a simple double tap. The AI Pin understands gestures like touch, tap, and swipe. It sifts through your texts and calls to provide you with the essentials you need to know, making communication more efficient. Privacy is a top priority with the AI Pin. It activates only on command, with no need for wake words. You'll also see trust light signals when it's capturing information, ensuring you always know when it's listening. Starting at $699, the Humane AI Pin is a significant step into the future. It offers a discreet yet powerful way to stay connected and in control, enhancing your everyday experiences. LD1 Armored ATV. Introducing the LD1 Armored ATV, a powerful blend of protection and agility. Developed by the Armored Group, in partnership with TC Burton Enterprises, this vehicle is built to handle high-stakes situations. Based on the rugged Polaris Sportsman 850 Premium, the LD1 takes things further with advanced NJ3 ballistic protection. This armor shields against high-caliber rounds, adding a crucial layer of security. One of its standout features is 360° ballistic protection. With replaceable panels and a lightweight, high-tensile steel exoskeleton, the LD1 is designed to endure tough conditions. Whether it's in urban environments or remote areas, this ATV is ready to adapt. Its compact design means it can navigate tight spaces with ease, making it perfect for law enforcement, military, and security operations. The LD1 is versatile and maneuverable, able to tackle challenging terrains without compromising on safety. For tactical scenarios requiring speed and safety, the LD1 Armored ATV is a reliable choice, built to withstand, built to protect. MG EXE181 Concept Car. Introducing the MG EXE181 Concept Car, a stunning vehicle from the 1950s designed specifically to break world land speed records. This car represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering from that era. The EXE181 features a highly aerodynamic design and a supercharged engine. Every detail was crafted with one goal in mind: speed. In 1957, at the famous Bonneville Salt Flats, this groundbreaking car achieved a remarkable record by reaching speeds of over 254 miles per hour. This achievement was nothing short of revolutionary for its time. The MG EXE181 embodies the spirit of engineering innovation and performance. It solidified MG's place in automotive history as a leader in speed records and design excellence. With its streamlined body and advanced technology, the EXE181 was years ahead of its time, making it a true icon in racing history. This concept car not only pushed the limits of speed but also showcased MG's commitment to excellence in automotive design. SandX. Introducing SandX, a game-changer in green completion solutions for the oil and gas industry. This company leads the way with innovative, eco-friendly technology designed to make oil and gas extraction safer and cleaner. At the heart of SandX's offering is its proprietary equipment, including the SandX system and the Superloop. These tools provide a sustainable alternative to traditional equipment, designed to streamline the completion process. The SandX system is engineered to efficiently remove sand during the completion process. This method is both economical and effective, producing clean sand, separated oil, and reusable water, a win for both safety and the environment. Taking things a step further, the Superloop removes gas during well completion, which enhances safety on site. Together, these systems reduce hazardous waste and offer a more efficient and cost-effective sand disposal process. With a strong commitment to research and development, SandX continues to push the limits of technology to meet client needs. They're pioneering a path towards safer, greener completions that benefit the industry and the environment. Virgin Hyperloop. Introducing Virgin Hyperloop, a futuristic transportation system set to revolutionize high-speed travel. This innovative system uses magnetic levitation and vacuum tube technology to propel pods at speeds of up to 760 miles per hour, 1,220 kilometers per hour. By eliminating air resistance and friction, Hyperloop significantly reduces travel times between cities. It offers a faster, more efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation methods. In 2020, Virgin Hyperloop achieved a major milestone by conducting its first successful passenger test. While the initial focus is on freight transportation, the company plans to expand into passenger services soon. The Hyperloop system is designed to be fully autonomous, powered by renewable energy, and capable of connecting major cities in just minutes. Recent developments showcase Virgin Hyperloop's efforts to establish regulatory frameworks and partnerships to bring this groundbreaking technology to commercial use. Countries like India and Saudi Arabia are already exploring the potential of Hyperloop systems. As these efforts progress, the future of high-speed travel is closer than ever. Begode Blitz. Introducing the Begode Blitz, an innovative electric unicycle designed for performance and agility. Priced at $3,199, this unicycle focuses on reducing weight without sacrificing power. Weighing just 79.1 pounds, it's 15.7 pounds lighter than its predecessor, the Master V4 model. Despite its lighter build, the Blitz packs serious power. It features a 3,200-watt motor with a peak output of 8 kilowatts. This motor enables an impressive no-load spin rate of 93.2 miles per hour. Powering this beast is a 134-volt Samsung 50S battery with a capacity of 2,400 watt-hours. Supported by a Smart Battery Management System (BMS), the Blitz can charge rapidly at up to 20 amps, ensuring efficient energy usage and faster charging times. The electronics are state-of-the-art. It includes a next-generation controller with data logging and a brand new display. This gives riders detailed insights into their ride performance. For added comfort, the Blitz is equipped with a customizable suspension system. Thanks to the air-based DS200-65A shock, riders can adjust the suspension to fit their style. Whether you prefer smooth streets or rugged terrain, the Blitz has you covered. Tazari Zero Max Cubo. The Tazari Zero Max Cubo is the eco-friendly electric vehicle designed for urban professionals and businesses. It's perfect for city deliveries, industrial logistics, and green space maintenance. Let's explore how this compact electric workhorse can revolutionize sustainable urban operations. The Zero Max Cubo offers 3 different variants to suit your specific needs. You can choose between the van, the pickup, or the naked version, making it adaptable for diverse professional requirements. Whether you're transporting goods, tools, or equipment, there's a variant ready to meet your demands. At the heart of the Zero Max Cubo is an 11.5 kilowatt motor paired with a durable lithium LFP battery. This battery is designed to last, supporting up to 3,000 charging cycles, so you can rely on it for the long haul. And with a range of up to 312 kilometers on a single charge, it ensures you stay on the road longer without needing constant recharging. The vehicle comes with 2 driving modes, allowing you to optimize your driving experience depending on your load or energy-saving needs. Plus, its high load capacity makes it an efficient choice for carrying heavy cargo while maintaining smooth performance.